Hello children, welcome to Right Tuition Classes. We are going to study relation between trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Relation between trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. First, try to understand what do you mean by complementary angles. Suppose any two angles are there, 10 degrees and 80 degrees. Now, when I add the measure of these angles, how much I get, children? 90 degree I get. So 10 degree and 80 degree angles are called complementary angles. 10 is a complement of 80, 80 is a complement of 10, like 20 degree plus 70 degree when I add, okay, how much I get? 90 degree. So 20 degree and 70 degree are called complementary angles. 20 is a complement of 70, 70 is a complement of 20. 30 degree and 60 degree when I add, I get 90 degree angle. That means 30 degree and 60 degree angles are complements of each other. 30 is a complement of 60. 60 is a complement of 30. Okay, they're complementary angles. Any like 40 degree and 50 degree. These angles, when I add them, I get 90 degrees. So they are complementary angles. 40 is a complement of 50. 50 is a complement of 40. So any angle is the acute angle. Okay, 75 degrees there. उसका complement कैसे निकालेंगे? Complement निकालने के लिए just 90 minus 75 करो, आपको 15 मिल गया. Now we can see 75 and 15 are complementary angles. कोई भी complementary angles का कैसे निकालेंगे? 90 minus 65 कितना हो गया बेटा? 25 डिग्री. So 65 and 25 complementary angles. Suppose x डिग्री एंगल रहेगा, उसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट कैसे निकालेंगे? 90 minus x डिग्री. अगर a डिग्री एंगल रहेगा, उसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट कैसे निकालेंगे? 90 minus a डिग्री. Okay, children. I hope everybody got an idea about complementary angles. Now what do you do? Just have a look at a right angle triangle. Children, just have a look at a right angle triangle. I have drawn a right angle triangle ABC, right angled at B, right angled at B. You can see here, right angled at B. Matlab, angle B is 90, angle B is 90, angle B is 90. Okay. So when I do angle sum property, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal 180 degrees. Sum of all angles of a triangle is 180. Angle A plus 90 plus angle C equal 180. So angle A plus angle C, when you try to do it, you'll have to do 180 minus 90. So angle A plus angle C is equal to 90. That means sum of these acute angles of a right angle triangle, when you add them, you get 90. That means these acute angles of a right angle triangle are complementary angles. They are complementary angles. They are. So in any right angle triangle, the two acute angles are always complementary angles. So add there is a 90 angle. In a right angle triangle, the two acute angles are always right angle triangle. तो अगर दोनों में अगर एक थीटा पकड़ूंगा तो दूसरा क्या होगा? अगर सी थीटा ले लिया तो एंगल ए इज 90 माइनस थीटा. एंगल ए इज 90 माइनस थीटा. So remember, in a right angle triangle, always, okay, the acute angles are right angle triangles. If one of the acute angle is theta, the other one will be 90 minus theta. वैसे ऊपर थीटा रहता तो नीचे 90 minus theta. Okay. Now, anyhow, I want to teach you the relation between trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. अगर आपने साइन थीटा निकाला, साइन थीटा is opposite side upon hypotenuse, AB upon AC, AB upon AC. Opposite side of theta is AB, AC is a hypotenuse, opposite upon hypotenuse, AB upon AC. Now what I do, I find cos of 90 minus theta, ऊपर वाला angle का cos theta. It is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. You can see an angle A is contained by side AB and side AC. AC hypotenuse है, so AB is adjacent side. So it should be AB upon AC. Okay, children? Just 1 minute. Sine theta is AB upon AC. I call it as statement number 1. Cos of 90 minus theta, that is adjacent side upon hypotenuse, AB upon AC, I call it as 2. So right hand side of statement number 1 and 2 is same, AB upon AC, AB upon AC. So can I say sine theta is equal to cos of 90 minus theta? That means, please have a look here, from 1 and 2. That means this is like, this formula, try to understand. Sine theta is equal to cos of 90 minus theta. Matlab, every sine ratio, you can change it to cosine form. You can change it to cos. Only thing, instead of theta, you'll have to make it 90 minus theta. Like every sine theta, you can convert it to cos of 90 minus theta. What are that examples we'll see a little later, children. But I want to go ahead. Okay, here itself, try to understand. Like, suppose cos theta I find. Cos theta is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Theta का opposite side AB है, adjacent side BC है, AC क्या hypotenuse है. See, theta is contained by side BC and AC. AC is a hypotenuse. BC is the adjacent side. So cos theta is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Are you getting me, children? In the same way, suppose if I try to do sine of 90 minus theta, sine of 90 minus theta, opposite side upon hypotenuse, which is opposite side for BC, which is a hypotenuse AC, BC upon AC. Again, when I look at it, the right-hand side BC upon AC, BC upon AC. So can I say cos theta is equal to sine of 90 minus theta? What does it mean, children? It means please have a look, every cos ratio, you can change it to sine. Only thing is, instead of theta, you should do 90 minus theta. So I'll just give you an example. Sine can be changed to cos, cos can be changed to sine. Sine can be changed to cos, and cos can be changed to sine. Okay, like what I mean is, suppose you come examples. I'll just show you some examples here. Suppose you got sine of 27 degree. So sine 27, I can always change it to sine को मैं cos में बदल सकता हूँ, cos. लेकिन ये 27 नहीं रहेगा, 90 minus 27 करना पड़ेगा. You understand? So that is cos 63. Did you understand this? Like sine of 40 degree. Yeah, I can change it to cos, but only thing is instead of 40, it will be 90 minus 40. Got it? So how much it will be? Cos of 50 degree. Are you getting me here? So every sine of 20 degree, it will become cos of 90 minus 20. Are you getting me here? That is cos of 70 degree. So remember, every sine ratio can be changed to cos ratio. But only thing, instead of theta, it will become 90 minus theta. Are you getting me here, children? Okay. Likewise, suppose every cos of 10 degree, what it will be equal to, you can change it to sine. But then 90 minus 10 it will become. That is sine of 80 degree. Okay. Like cos of 50 degree. Yeah, this will change the sine. Only thing is, instead of 50, I'll have to do 90 minus 50. And what I get? Sine of 40 degree. Are you getting me, children? Means every sine can be changed to cos and every cos can be changed to sine. Only thing is when you change the sine to cos, the theta, sine theta, the theta will change to 90 minus theta. Got it? Those who can't understand, just like a trick, remember this, I'll just show it to you, just like a trick. Please here, SINE, sine, COSINE, cosine, शॉर्ट फॉर्म में cos बोलते हैं, कोसाइन को cos बोलते हैं. तो देखो साइन जब है ना, साइन आता है ना, साइन किस में चेंज हो जाएगा? तो इसमें को नहीं है साथ में, तो कोसाइन में चेंज हो जाएगा. को डाल दो, कोसाइन में चेंज हो जाएगा. खाली क्या है? थीटा की जगह में 90 माइनस थीटा. वैसे ही जब कोसाइन आएगा, प्लीज आप लिखिए किस में चेंज हो जाएगा? अरे को निकाल दो, साइन में चेंज हो जाएगा. खाली थीटा का जगह में साइन ऑफ 90 माइनस थीटा आएगा. So every sine, see the name, okay, just like a trick, you understanding? Sine, cosine. मतलब अगर साइन आया, को मिसिंग है, तो आप को डाल दो, कोसाइन में बन जाएगा. मतलब साइन किस में बन जाएगा? कोसाइन में बन जाएगा. थोड़ी, लेकिन वो थीटा की जगह में 90 माइनस थीटा. वैसे कोसाइन आएगा, किस में बदलेगा? तो को आ गया, को निकाल दो, किस में बदलेगा? साइन में बदलेगा. ओनली अगर थीटा रहेगा तो ये 90 माइनस थीटा हो जाएगा. आर यू गेटिंग मी, चिल्ड्रन? So remember, sine can change to cos, cos can change to sine. Theta का जगह में 90 minus theta. Okay. Likewise, children, we go to the next. Second relation, what I'm going to talk about is sec theta. What is sec theta equal? Sec theta is hypotenuse upon adjacent side. So AC is a hypotenuse and BC is adjacent side. AC upon BC. Now cosec theta. Cosec of 90 minus theta. Cosec of 90 minus theta should be opposite upon hypotenuse upon opposite side, which is hypotenuse AC, which is opposite side BC. Okay, right hand side same as, so sec theta equal cosec of 90 minus theta. See, sec word has no co. तो sec किस में बदलेगा? Add को. Cosec में बदलेगा. और थीटा की जगह में 90 minus theta. Sec theta equal cosec of 90 minus theta. In the same way, children, suppose if I go for cosec theta is hypotenuse upon opposite side. So AC upon AB. Sec of 90 minus theta, hypotenuse upon adjacent side, AC upon AB. Same AC upon AB. So can I say cosec theta equal sec of 90 minus, मतलब cosec किस में बदलेगा? को निकाल दो तो क्या cosec किस में बदलेगा? sec में. अभी थीटा के जगह में 90 minus theta. You can see the examples here. Sec 50 को नहीं है तो को डाल दो, किस में बदलेगा? cosec में बदलेगा. cosec और 90 minus 50 40. sec 30 किस में बदलेगा? को नहीं है, को डाल दो, cosec में बदलेगा. 90 minus 30 कितना? 60. cosec 10 cosec किस में बदलेगा? को निकाल दो, वो है ना, तो sec में बदलेगा. sec of 90 minus 10 sec 80 डिग्री. cosec 40 डिग्री को निकाल दो, किस में बदलेगा? sec of 90 minus 40 50 डिग्री. I hope people understood me here. तो याद रखो sec theta is cosec of 90 minus theta. Cosec theta is sec of 90 minus theta. Okay. Now we go to the next of the relationship. Look. Now look at this. Tan of theta. Tan is opposite upon adjacent. Opposite side of theta is AB and adjacent side is BC. Okay. Now I want cot of 90 minus theta. Cot of 90 minus theta should be, please have a look at adjacent upon opposite, which is the adjacent side of AB, and which is the opposite side of it, BC. Right hand side same है बेटा. Therefore, tan of tan theta can be cot of 90 minus theta. याद रखो tangent, cotangent. तो tan मतलब tangent, को नहीं है तो किस में बदलेगा? cotangent में बदलेगा, मतलब cot में बदलेगा, और theta के जगह में 90 minus theta. वैसे ही बेटा, now when you try to understand, suppose if I go for cot theta. When I go for cot theta is hypotenuse upon adjacent side, AC upon BC. Now when I go for tan of 90 minus theta, it should be opposite side upon adjacent side, BC upon BC. Cot theta is adjacent side. Cot theta is adjacent side upon opposite side, BC upon AB. Tan of 90 minus theta is opposite side, BC upon AB. So same it is. So cot theta will become tan of 90 minus theta. So you can see here, children, your tan ratio changes to cot ratio, and your cot ratio changes to tan ratio. Same way of thinking, children, just an idea, nothing great about it. A cot मतलब cotangent. So cotangent of theta. So को निकाल दो, it becomes tangent of 90 minus theta. Cot theta is tan. Likewise, suppose tan of, तो cotangent का को निकाल दो, tangent में बदल देगा. अभी tan थीटा, इसमें क्या मिसिंग है? को मिसिंग है, तो ये cot में बदल जाएगा. Correct? Now theta, tan theta is cot of 90 minus theta. Got it? Now in the same way, suppose tan of 10 degree है, it will become equal to cot of 90 minus 10. कितना हो गया बेटा? Cot of 80 degree. Okay. Tan of 50 degree, it will be equal to cot of 90 minus 50, 40 degree. Got it? Likewise, if you see cot changes to tan, cot of 10 degree. को में निकाल दो तो क्या बच गया? tan बच गया 90 minus 10. कितना आएगा बेटा? tan of 80 degree. Cot of 35 degree will be equal to tan of 90 minus 35. So tan of 55 degree. Sure, children, a very simple sum. Okay, tan of 45 degree. Very easy sum. I'm sure everybody in the class must have understood it. Okay, what is this, children? This is cot or tan of 90 minus 35 is 45 degrees. What it will be? 45 degrees. Sorry. No place of writing, children.